the great thing about this is that you can change these things. You can literally rewire the neural pathways in your brain to have completely different habits and thoughts and reactions. And this is where hypnotherapy is such a powerful process. There are some other modalities that can be very, very useful. I've found hypnotherapy to get you there so much faster than other approaches because you're going straight to the root of the problem and you're healing it there. And with the subconscious mind, if there's a blockage, an emotional problem, a belief, a belief that's holding you back, the problem on the surface, the branch topic, could be nail biting, it could be fear of flying, it could be voice dysphoria, it could be a fear of spiders, whatever it is. The root topics are almost always self-worth, self-confidence, and self-love, self-belief. When you fix those things, then the branch topics become 50 times more easy to heal because you've healed the root, which is why so much of the work we're doing is really healing the inner child and working on that self-belief, self-love. Affirmations are, I mean, I love them. I use them. I'm constantly making sure my self-talk is guiding me to how I want to feel and where I want to be. But when you say an affirmation, for example, if you look in the mirror and you say to yourself in the mirror, I love you, I love you, I love you, and you subconsciously don't believe that yet, then it's going to take a hell of a lot of repetitions before your brain starts to accept that. An affirmation has to be plausible for your subconscious mind. So, for example, going back to the looking in the mirror, if saying I love you in the mirror is a step too far right now, which for a lot of people when they start this work, it can be, is really, really good to start with something like, every day I love you more and more. Or I give myself permission to love you, or something which gets your subconscious mind on board with the fact that you can ease your way into this self-love work. Yeah, it's really important. It's really important that the suggestions are plausible, Oh, it made you tingly, Lily. I love that. Yeah, I always get the tingles when there's an aha moment. Yeah.